Assalamualaikum, my name is Shahrul Ashraf bin Muhammad Hisham Segrin.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Jami Shariar and this is our project demo for the internet programming course. What we have worked on is an e-commerce online store for selling laptops. We have named the program Laptop Store. So what we have used is we have made use of the MVC pattern, model view controller pattern, and we have divided our entire program into the model part, which has all the bean classes such as customer, order, product, and then the DAO package, which contains the customer DAO, order DAO, and here is where all the SQL commands or code is. And then we have the controller package, which contains the Java servlets such as card.java servlet and registration servlet, customer registration servlet, and so on. And we also have the view package. We haven't called it view, but it's the web pages, and it contains all the JSP and JSP pages for displaying the forms and other things. All right, so let's move on to the demo. So I'd like to, we have two different types of users in our program. One is customers and the other one is staff. For staff is able to first log in. Right now there are two types of staff, which is you can see that there are two types of staff in the database. We have only included two types of staff, and if we want more staff, we will add them to the database. So what staff can do is staff will be able to log in using the username and password as you have seen before, and then they'll be able to log in, and the functionality that they'll have is, I'll tell it in short, which is they'll be able to update the product, delete the product, and also, add products as well. That's going to be the functionality for staff. And for customers will be able to register if they don't have an account already, and after registering, or if they have a account, they will be able to log in, and then they'll be able to select product, add items to cart, and then check out, and thus making an order, and then eventually log out. So I'll try to show you the demo for staff. So let's see that in action. So this is our home page, and it'll have the two types of users, which is staff and customer. So it has staff login and customer login. So let's log in as staff. All right. Okay, so if you remember the username and password from before, I'll just enter it real quick, which is Shahriar, and the password is hello. And let's try logging in.
Error.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Right now, we also have an authentication system. So if we have entered the wrong password, for example, let's enter something random. All right, we have entered something random, and let's try logging in, not hello. And it's gonna say login password incorrect. Okay. But if let's enter the username again, Shahriar, and the correct password is hello. So let's enter hello, and let's click login. And so it's going to display the message login successful, the alert. And let's move on. And after that, we'll see the list of products. So right now we have a certain list of products, which is, you can see Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, Asus Stuff Dash, and this is the list of products and the price and also the image. Let's try to add a new product. I'll click add new product. Okay, so let's enter a product ID. Okay, 8, and product name is, let's enter the Razer Blade 14, sorry. And then this is the spec sheet, and the price is around 8999 RM. Okay, let's choose the image. Okay, we selected an image, and this is how our staff will be able to add a new item. Let's click save, and if we scroll down, we'll see that the item will get added. See, Razer Blade 13, and then the spec sheet, and then the price is 8999, and the image. And if you look at the database, we'll see that the product will get added to the database as well. And so let's go back and let's check out all the other functionality. So let's try updating the item we just added. Let's go back and update, and let's make it Razer Blade 15. And then the product description, let's enter the same description and just change the 1650 Ti to 1660. The second line 1660, yeah. And then let's keep the price same. But we can change the price, but let's keep it same. And let's choose the image again, and let's click save. So if we scroll down again, we'll see that the Razer Blade, it's now Razer Blade 15, and the value has now become 1660. So it is getting updated. And let's go back to the database, and we can see that the price gets updated. Sorry, the name gets updated in the database again, and the description will also get updated. Let's go back and check out the other functionality, which is delete. Let's try deleting what we just created. So let's click delete. And if you scroll down, we'll see that the item is no longer here. Let's go back to the database, and the item gets removed from the database as well. All right, so this is all, and after the work is done, the staff will be able to log out. And if we click log out, it's going to display the message log out successful, and it will take him back to the home page. Here, I'll move it on to my teammate Charul. He'll explain the customer functionality. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Jami. Yes, hello, I'm Shahrul. So now I'm gonna explain the customer functionalities. So as you saw just now, a staff can edit, update, add, update, and delete products. So a customer will be able to only view all the products that the staff has inputted into the database. So we're gonna check that out. Besides that, the customer can also add products into their cart so that they can shop. So let's go straight into it. So as you can see in the database, we have 3 types of customers. So let's just take this one, username and password, right? So first we gotta go to customer login. Alright, let's just enter. But before that, let's just test if our customers login validation as well. So let's just try playing login. As you can see, login password incorrect. Okay, but actually let's try signing up for a new customer. As you can see, there's a button here, sign up here. So if we press sign up here, you can see customer registration. So this is for customers that do not have an account. So let's just create an account real fast. Let's enter all the necessary information. Username, let's just enter something simple. Password hello. Address, let's just use this address with my contact number. Alright, there's 2 buttons, register, reset. Reset will clear everything here. I'm not going to press that. Let's just press register, and registration successful. Okay, it'll bring you back to the customer login. But before that, let's just check the customer database. As you can see, new user has been added. So let's just straight use the new account up with the I forgot my password. Hello. Yep. So we press in login. Login successful. Alright. So this is the view that the customer can see. The customer will only be able to see all the products that the staff have updated. As you can see, there are no action buttons, update, delete, or add new product anywhere in this page. And if you also notice in the above, the customer's username will be displayed. Welcome, the username that I entered. Okay, so how do customers add products into their carts? Okay, so as you can see, there's a input right here that so the customer will need to enter the correct ID, right? And then add the product to cart. Okay, let's just try adding something right now. Let's just try adding item ID 1, add product to cart. Okay, and then it'll go to a checkout page. So list of products added to cart. As you can see, Asus ROG with the price. So now the customer has 2 choices. Either the customer can continue shopping or he wants to check out. Let's try adding more items, right? So I added item number 1. So now let's add item number 5, right? Add to product to cart, and you can see it's been added. All right. Before we go check out, let's just check the database for cart. So So as you can see, there are 2 items in my cart right now because I added 2 items, right? Alright, so that's enough shopping. Let's go check out. Check out, go to receipt page. So list of products ordered. So customer name, it'll just display my username that I entered, right? 2 items with the price, and it'll display the total, right? So we can just confirm. Thank you for shopping with us. And now the customer still has 2 choices: continue shopping or log out. So assuming that we've paid and have already paid for the first order, so when we choose continue shopping, we will be redirected to this ordering menu again. But our cart from before will be empty because this is a new order. So the cart will be empty. So now we can start a new order. And just try and adding 1 item. Okay, let's just go check out. Okay, confirm. And right now currently there's 1 item in the cart database, right? Because it has not cleared yet. So like if we go continue shopping, it will clear because it will create a new order. But now let's try the logout function. So logout successful. Okay, and we'll be back here into the main page. So if we go to the database again, the cart will be emptied because a new session is created when a customer or a staff logs in. Okay, so I think that's it for our project. Thank you very much for listening in. I have been Shahrul.
And it's me, Jami Shariar. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.